All right, so in this one, let's take an equilateral triangle, but this time, let's say we have a radius length, oh, I don't know, let's make it 9. So we want to find the area of this triangle with the radius length of 9. And this is an equilateral triangle. So all 3 of my sides would be equal. Well, from our previous video or class notes, step 1 is to start by drawing this radius, or I'm sorry, this apothem radius triangle. So that would be drawing this apothem in here. We know that's that. So we have created a right triangle that we have this radius is 9. The apothem I don't know. And this half of the side I don't know yet either. That would be this X right here. I do know that if I put all those things in there, all those triangles in there, that was 360 divided by 3 divided by 2. So I know that that angle turned out to be 60. That angle turned out to be 30. And if I can get a and x, I can take a times x divided by 2, and then the number of triangles, which we know is 6 from my previous video. There would be 6 of these apothem radius triangles, 1, 2, and then I'd have 2 more here and 2 more there. Well, we could use method 1, which was special right triangles, 30, 60, 90 triangles, which I'm not a big fan of. But you could do it. I'm going to use SOHCAHTOA trig instead. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to say that the sine of 30 is opposite over hypotenuse, is a over 9. And I'm going to use the cosine of 30 because I know that's adjacent over hypotenuse, or x over 9. And now I have my 2 values. So I'm going to take my calculator and I'm going to take 9 times the sine of 30. So I'm going 9 times the sine of 30. And when I did that, I got a to be 4.5. And if I do 9 times the cosine of 30, I get 7.79. Now I'm rounding. And we certainly would be putting in a rounding error here, depending on if we use special right triangles or not. But I know that this apothem radius triangle would have an area of 4.5 times 7.79 divided by 2. And I know that there are a grand total of 6 of those. So let's find the area of that apothem radius triangle. 4.5 times 7.79. I'll hit enter and we'll divide by 2. That was 17.53. I actually had 6 of those. So I'll multiply that by 6 times 6, and my answer there is 105.17. 105.17 units squared. And now from my last video, I only used method 2 on this one. I did not do the similar, or I'm sorry, I didn't use similar triangles, but I did not use the special right triangles. I feel that it's just as quick to use the trigonometry.